sleep apnea. I have sleep apnea. And do you know about this?
Yeah.
Do you snore?
I have a mouthpiece. It holds my tongue down. It keeps
Right.
my tongue from sliding back. It made
Right.
a world of difference. I was on a plane once, and there was a guy behind me, and I would hear,
Yeah.
and I turned around, and I was like, hey, man. And I said, do you know you have sleep apnea? He's like, what do you mean? And I showed him my mouthpiece. I go, like, I have this thing that I have to sleep with. Yeah, it changes your whole life.
Your whole life solves the problem.
Yeah. Joey Diaz changed his life. He started using that thing. He brings it everywhere.
Yeah. I mean, I wish every problem were that easy to solve.